ओम श्री सतनाम साखी जय श्री कृष्ण। Satsang Varkha, Book 2, Discourse 7. Guru Maharaj Ji said, O Lord, you are the overseer of everyone. If you turn your gaze on me, then I too will be delighted. Once upon a time, a Mahatma was doing satsang. There was a huge crowd. All the devotees were engrossed in the satsang of the Mahatma. During the satsang, a devotee fell asleep. The Mahatma saw him and noticed this devotee was asleep. Then the Mahatma went to him and cautioned him, "Hey, you are sleeping." Hearing this, the devotee was completely stunned. When awakened by the Mahatma, he did not get angry. He didn't consider it as an insult. On the contrary, he started dancing very happily. The other men present there started saying, "Oh, this man is crazy. The Mahatma himself has insulted him and he is feeling happy." Then the devotee started saying, "Today I am extremely happy. My fortunes have risen and I feel that God has bestowed a great blessing on me." How? Today the eyes of a saint have fallen on me. How would I have woken up had the saint not seen me? Guru Maharaj Ji says, one who is in the sights of a saint will never fall into the illusion of sleep. He will wake up and chant the name of the Lord. That is why you also pray with love, that your Guru Maharaj's eyes are also on you. Our Guru Nanak Dev Ji says, O Supreme Soul, you have everyone in your sight. Have mercy on me too, so I can be grateful and satisfied. Satisfaction means being free from all sadness. Guru Maharaj Ji said, once some seekers went to a saint and said, "Maharaj Ji, we have heard that by taking refuge in saints, this soul is led on a path of welfare. It has been said, saints accept those who come and take refuge in them. Then please tell us, whose refuge shall we take? There are thousands of saints. We too have gone astray. So please kindly guide us." That's when the Mahatma started saying, "Well done. You have to be commended for the desire for your welfare. You should take refuge in someone who will never leave your side." Guru Maharaj Ji said, our Param Pujya Sadguru Swami Asuram Ji Maharaj, Sadguru Swami Teuram Ji Maharaj's Guru, says, "The one who does not leave you after accepting you, only take refuge in him." Just as a woman comes to her husband's house after getting married, leaves all her relatives and comes to the shelter of her husband, then she remains with her husband for life. The husband also protects her for the rest of her life. We should understand this. When we too take shelter of the Lord, leaving all the hopes of the world, do you think God will not protect us? He will, because He is the husband of the whole world. That is why He is also called Jagatpati. Coming back to the story, the Mahatma said to those seekers, one should take refuge in him who has these four qualities. The first thing is that he should be capable. He will never say that I will not be able to do this work. He is the one who destroys all the distractions of the seekers, destroys their wrongdoings. He should be able to do that. He should be capable. Secondly, he should be near us at all times. He should be accessible. If he is in America and is capable, how will you get there? So, he should be accessible so that you can reach him. Third, he should be omniscient. That is, the one who is aware of the whole situation within us. For example, only a doctor who knows the complete condition of the patient can be successful in treating him. How will he be able to treat him without knowing what the patient is suffering from? The demeanor of some Mahatmas is such that devotees cannot even speak their heart in front of them. and sometimes don't even have the courage to say. Therefore, he should be able to understand what you are going through with just a quick glance. The fourth quality that a Mahatma should have is he should be kind in nature. That is, he should be full of mercy, because kindness is a fundamental part of religion. So he should be kind. Guru Maharaj narrated an incident. We had a doctor here in Ulhasnagar. A female patient came to him and said, I have so and so issue. The doctor prescribed her some medicines. The lady asked, Doctor, can I eat oranges? The doctor said, no. Then she asked, Okay, doctor, pomegranate? Again, he said no. She asked him again, So doctor, may I eat some rice? The doctor got so fed up and said, Okay, Mataji, just go and eat everything, but please don't eat my brain. Coming back to the message, Guru Maharaj Ji said, it is necessary that a saint is capable, accessible, knowledgeable and kind too. Guru Maharaj Ji said, only the one who is capable of destroying our illusions and doubts, who is near to us at all times, and one who can understand our innermost troubles along with being kind, is a true saint who you can take refuge in. He can truly show you the path of welfare. बोलिए सद्गुरुदेव भगवान की जय.